Welcome back, wonderful coders. Today's class is on URIs. This is section 12 in our series about learning Dart. Let's jump right in. So what is a URI? You might have heard of URL. What's URI? URI stands for Uniform Resource Identifier. It's a string of characters that follows a specific set of rules to identify a resource over a network using what we call a particular scheme, like HTTP, for instance, or FTP, or HTTPS. Dart's URI class provides functions to encode and decode strings for use in URIs. So the encode full and the decode full methods are used to encode and decode a fully qualified URI. The parse method creates a URI from a string. So let's look at our code here. Again, we have our main function, our requisite for Dart, and we have a variable called URI, and I pass it the string for the Google landing page or the Google home page. We can do URI.encode full URI, and then when I print it out, it doesn't look any different, right? It's HTTPS and www.google.com. We can decode, and the results are the same. If we create a parser out of our URI, we can parse it. So now I'm passing in a string, and in there I am doing a query for food stuff, to let you know, because you probably can't see it. Way at the end over here, we see equals food plus stuff. That's what I'm passing into the search engine. So if I do URI.scheme, that's HTTPS. If I do URI.host, I get back www.google.com. If I do the path, I get wax search. The origin, same thing, HTTPS, www.google.com. I can do the query parameters, and you see way over here in the purple highlight, Q, : I get food stuff. That's what I passed in. The authority is also www.google.com. The port that I chose to use is 443 because it's HTTPS instead of HTTP, which would be 80 or 8080 or something like that. Then I have a new parse, and I pass in a given PDF here just to show you the difference. And when I print out URI3.dart, I get null. And when I print out URI3.hasport, I get false. So there's lots of different things that you can play around with this if you're interested or your code lends itself to working with URIs. It may or it may not, but I wanted to at least expose you to it from a very high level so that you know where to go, you know that it's there, and you can do your own digging and exploring if you so choose. My fine friends, thank you for making it all the way to the end. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, do a couple of things. Subscribe to the page, give me a like, leave a comment, and share this with somebody who might need it. We're trying to start a revolution here.